a scrap metal recycling company called National Salvage frequently handles complaints from drivers regarding flat tires. This issue is prevalent in many different industries, including waste management and mining. Tire punctures are a common problem while transporting goods to landfills. The company Evolution Wheel has a fix. They produce airless solid tires that guard against punctures. Their airless tires provide a long-lasting substitute for standard skid steer tires, which only last roughly 100 hours. Because they are so versatile and easy to handle around construction sites, skid steer loaders are one of the most popular forms of small construction equipment. These little but formidable workhorses can handle a variety of chores thanks to their extensive selection of attachments. To maintain the smooth operation of your equipment, replacement the tires will eventually be necessary. With the use of distributor lists, media guides for construction equipment, trade show exhibitor directories, and online searches, they have put together the definitive list of skid steer tire brands to aid in your search. You can get the best skid steer tires with the tread and dimensions that suit your specific model and application with the aid of this comprehensive list of nearly 40 brands. You should be aware of your skid steer model, tire and wheel dimensions, preferred tire construction, suitable tread pattern for your application, number of bolts, and bolt diameter spacing before buying these tires. It is advised that you collaborate closely with the customer care agent at your distributor or supplier to make sure you choose the right size and kind of tire. SkyPak V1 is a jetpack created by engineer Daniel Gant in his garage. It can be flown indoors and used in situations where drones were previously needed. This jetpack has great potential and will be useful for rescuers, wind turbine technicians, firefighters, and more. These aircraft are designed for various aerial missions. Gant, a mechanical engineer with a lifelong passion for free flying and pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics, drives the company forward. Currently holding a patent-pending status, Ascend Dynamics is actively seeking investors to support its ongoing advancements. Designing stable flying aircraft proved to be a challenging task. Gant emphasizes that learning from failures is crucial for eventual success. He began creating subscale prototype multicopter backpacks in July 2020 and has been refining his designs ever since. By 2022, Ascend Dynamics had developed 5 main prototypes: the P1, P2, P3, P4, and V1. Each prototype, with multiple versions, has provided invaluable flight test data, enhancing the designs. The SkyPak P3 served as a precursor to the full-scale V1 prototype. With 12 propellers and motors, the P3 fine-tuned the control system, achieving high stability and control during its first flight on February 11, 2021. On the other hand, the SkyPak P4 continued development with 3D printed frames and propeller arms. The final version, P4, included an orange 3D printed mannequin, showcasing visual and functional enhancements, and demonstrated excellent stability and control during flight tests on June 30, 2021. Moving servers within a data center is a common task, but it can be quite challenging due to the weight of the servers, which can be as much as 80 kg. Additionally, the distance they need to be moved can sometimes be hundreds of meters. This situation is exemplified by a massive data center located in Seong, South Korea, which spans an area equivalent to 41 soccer fields. In this facility, servers often need to be transported over a distance of 850 meters. South Korean innovation has brought forth a solution to the challenges faced in data centers with the development of the G-Robot. This advanced robot can handle loads up to 400 kg and transport servers at speeds of up to 2 meters per second. Alongside the G-Robot, another robotic innovation, GaRo, has been introduced to assist with loading servers into racks. GaRo can place servers into racks as high as 3 meters, reducing the physical strain on human workers and enhancing operational efficiency. This automation not only alleviates the physical demands on staff, but also minimizes the risk of injury, creating a safer working environment within the data center. The deployment of the G-Robot and GaRo robot represents a major leap forward in data center operations. Traditionally, the task of moving servers required considerable manual labor, which was both time-consuming and fraught with the potential for worker injury. These robots eliminate such risks by taking over the heavy lifting and precise placement tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and less physically demanding duties. The world is asking for change, and the Citywave mobility team is stepping up to the challenge. They are pioneering a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle called Integrity, which aims to revolutionize urban transportation with innovative fly-free technology. Instead of relying on large propellers, the engineers have designed Integrity with blocks of 4 smaller propellers. This configuration allows for movement relative to the fuselage and stabilizes the vehicle using its own weight, providing a smoother and more reliable flight experience. Since 2020, extensive testing on the Integrity prototype has been underway. This rigorous process is crucial to ensure the vehicle's safety and efficiency. Some tech publications have reported that the fully developed version of Integrity might not be ready until the 2030s. This extended timeline could be advantageous, as it allows ample time to perfect the design and functionality of the vehicle. Integrity is designed to accommodate up to 5 passengers and fly at a cruising speed of 180 km per hour, making it essential for all systems to operate flawlessly, much like Swiss clockwork. The vision behind Integrity is not just about creating another mode of transportation, it's about redefining urban mobility. The Citywave mobility team is committed to addressing the increasing demand for sustainable and efficient transportation solutions. The unique design of Integrity, with its smaller propellers, provides enhanced stability and control, ensuring a safer flight experience for passengers. At the CES Tech Exposition, you'll see amazing innovations like transparent TVs and smart rings. It's an ideal place for holocs, where you can create holograms by standing in front of built-in cameras against a white background. You can then view the holograms on an 86-inch touchscreen with internet connectivity and speakers. It also offers 2 unique units for an interesting way to communicate. Founders Andre and Marnix were inspired by their experiences with loss and the desire to help grieving families feel connected to their deceased loved ones. This initial concept, showcased in programs like Over Mijn Leek, About My Corpse, highlighted the potential of holographic technology for creating lasting personal connections. This marked the beginning of the Holobox's development journey. Despite living in different parts of the world, Andre in Curaçao and Marnix in the Netherlands, they collaborated remotely, combining their expertise. The onset of COVID-19 presented a unique opportunity to accelerate their product development efforts. This dedication to continual improvement has spurred the creation of numerous applications for the Holobox, making it a vital tool in addressing contemporary challenges like sustainability. Holoconnects prides itself on in-house production to maintain high-quality standards. Athletes, lab technicians, and disinfectors can all benefit from step-in shields. These shoe covers are practical and patented, making it clear why they're so useful. No more bending over or squatting to put them on. Just a few foot movements, and they effortlessly attach to your shoes, whether sneakers or boots. Many individuals in various service industries have struggled with keeping their shoes clean without the inconvenience of removing them. Traditional shoe covers have been the go-to solution, but they often prove to be cumbersome and impractical. Realizing the need for a more efficient alternative, after months of rigorous testing, countless failed prototypes, and many late-night brainstorming sessions, This idea began to show promise, and with relentless effort and determination, we turned our vision into reality. Originally named Step-In Sock, rebranded it to Step-In Shield to better reflect the true nature. This groundbreaking product has been meticulously developed from the ground up, fueled by dedication to hard work and passion for making life easier for others. The company objective is to provide a practical solution for all service industries, streamlining the process of keeping shoes clean without the hassle of removing them. A Chinese company called Speed Hydraulic Equipment has been working with freezing systems for more than 30 years. They hold almost 100 patents. In just 5 minutes, their liquid nitrogen system can achieve minus 60 degrees Celsius. And if you wait longer, minus 160 degrees Celsius. It is perfect for rapidly freezing prepared meals. They also provide customized, distinctive systems. For many years, the food and beverage sector has relied on liquid nitrogen, which is highly regarded for its remarkable ability to accurately regulate temperature. Cryogenic systems can freeze or chill food in a matter of minutes due to its incredibly low temperature, which causes smaller ice crystals to form. This quick freezing method reduces drip loss while improving product quality. Furthermore, it has the ability to extract heat from other processes, which can decrease cycle times, boost production throughput. From a business standpoint, companies can process more products faster thanks to cryogenic freezing speed. The simple on and off operation of cryogenic freezers enables production lines to adjust to demand. The nitrogen and equipment can be set up to correspond with the size of the food processing facility. There are many advantages of using it. Freezes food faster than conventional freezing technologies thanks to its exceptionally low temperature, which takes only a few minutes. Since of this quick freezing, soft fruits and other delicate food products maintain their texture and look when thawed, since there is less disruption of cell structures. Additionally, by improving food texture and minimizing stickiness and degradation, cryogenic techniques save food waste. The Aircar Pureo Larens Aircar is a groundbreaking concept for a revolutionary flying vehicle designed to soar above traffic jams. This futuristic four-seater, envisioned for a pilot and 3 passengers, features a sleek and compact design, measuring only 6 meters long. Its lightweight construction is achieved through a carbon fiber monocoque body that integrates seamlessly with 4 powerful Rolls-Royce jet engines. One of the most unique aspects of the Aircar is its jet engines, each capable of independently adjusting its tilt and rotation. This innovation provides the Aircar with superior stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate smoothly during turns and at various heights and inclines. Currently, the Aircar remains a conceptual design. With its cutting-edge technology, a price tag has not yet been revealed. However, considering the use of high-performance jet engines and its intended role as a personal transportation device, it is safe to assume that the Aircar would be a very expensive luxury vehicle if it ever becomes a reality. This revolutionary concept aims to transform personal transportation by offering an alternative to traditional road vehicles. The Aircar could potentially reduce traffic congestion, shorten travel times, and provide a unique and thrilling way to travel. The development of the Aircar highlights the ongoing advancements in aerospace technology and the growing interest in innovative transportation solutions. While it remains to be seen if and when the Aircar will move from concept to production, its design and potential impact on personal transportation are certainly exciting. Many people, including the makers of Ringbot, have been influenced by Star Wars. Although it resembles a battle droid, this wheel-shaped robot is intended for peaceful duties like delivery of products. For now, it is just a prototype, but still it has demonstrated exciting potential by reaching test speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour. The prototype is a brand new unicycle robot that rolls on a single, huge wheel and moves around with the help of its extensible legs. Rolling at 5 kilometers per hour, this inventive robot can adapt to any surface. One of its prospective uses is for delivery services in the near future. Associate Professor Jo-Hyung Kim and his group at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign spearheaded the development of this prototype. He took inspiration from the film series, but also from prior robotic breakthroughs that combine the mobility of wheels with the adaptability of legs, as well as from single-wheeled vehicles. The motorized platform of a conventional monowheel is housed inside a sizable hoop, allowing the driver to stay level as the wheel turns. He combined this idea with the technology of robots that have wheels on their limbs, such the Animal robot from ETH Zurich, which can walk or roll depending on the surface. It is noteworthy that tests of this robot were conducted on an outdoor 400-meter circuit a few weeks ago. In 37 minutes, the four-legged robot covered almost 3 kilometers on a 2300 mAh, 11.1-volt battery. The Ringbot's course and speed were controlled by a remote joystick controller. On a windsurf board, French athlete Annan Elbow reached speeds of 98.6 kilometers per hour. This accomplishment demonstrates the intense nature of windsurfing. The sails from the North team, which was started by American aerospace engineer and gold medalist in sailing in the Olympics, are especially remarkable. The team is well known for their cutting-edge computer modeling and inventive sails, which enable them to stay on the bleeding edge of technology. The wave sail from North Sails has drastically improved windsurfing in previously unthinkable ways. With a low swing weight for optimal precision, this featherweight sail is made to be easily managed. You can exert maximum force on it, and it will react with unparalleled efficiency. The sail is molded into one piece from unique Dyneema aramid fibers, eliminating any stitching or seams and giving it exceptional strength and durability. Designed for the most aggressive wave sailors who thrive in harsh circumstances and charge down the line with an active sailing style, this revolutionary sail is perfect. Offered exclusively by this company, this wave sail is genuinely unique compared to others currently available on the market. Push yourself to the maximum with this technology. North Sails has you covered wherever and whatever you sail. Lowell North, the founder of North Sails, set out to make the greatest racing sails the world had ever seen in 1957. With his success, he completely changed the sailing sport. The first harness in the world with an integrated paramotor is the PowerPod, designed by the St. Petersburg-based Fulcrum Engines team. It combines the ease of takeoff and altitude rise in a variety of weather conditions, even in the absence of a slope, with the power of a 25-horsepower engine and the comforts of a paragliding pod. The PowerPod is a dream come true for those who enjoy airborne adventures, because, in spite of its characteristics, it weighs less than 20 kilograms. With its unique design, you can fly freely and interference-free thanks to the small, light engine behind your back. Free-flying paraglider pilots can now choose where to fly with complete independence for the first time. Like a paramotor, it provides the comfort and simplicity of a classic pod harness, together with the ability to launch and soar to the clouds from almost any place. Imagine taking off beneath the clouds, traveling across the nation, and losing your restlessness while observing the formation of cumulus clouds from the ground. Do you ever get annoyed because there's no nearby slope for launch, and you find yourself staring up at the sky? Maybe the wind is blowing the wrong way, there isn't enough slope to find a thermal, or the winch at your paragliding club isn't working today? You might not be able to reach the clouds for a variety of reasons. But now that you have this product, you can forget about all those excuses. What is the commonality between Germany, Russia, and the United States? Unexpectedly, none of them have enough servers. Numerous other nations also deal with similar problem. For instance, the influx of inexpensive robot servers from China into South Korea has irritated regional producers. Taiwanese serving systems stand out for their clever features and conformity to modern styles. Robots that deliver food are getting more and more common, revolutionizing how we get our favorite meals and goods. These meals on wheels increasingly frequently appear on city streets, bringing groceries and packages right to our doors. With just a button push, these robots are filling in for us as the demand for quicker deliveries increases. The desire for convenience is the reason for the rise of robots that deliver food. We want everything, including our food, at our fingertips in the fast-paced world of today. The COVID-19 pandemic hastened the deployment of these robots since they are now necessary for delivering supplies to individuals confined to their homes. The popularity of delivery robots is increasing even as limitations loosen, which is indicative of a larger trend toward incorporating smart technology into everyday life. Robots that deliver meals have many advantages. They ensure that groceries stay fresh and meals arrive hot by providing speed and efficiency. These robots locate the fastest routes. The global market was estimated to be worth $24.3 million in 2019 and is expected to grow to $236.6 million by 2027. The WHO estimates that 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted annually worldwide. This increases the significance of products like Fresh Defend Home. Additionally, the system's creators note that $240 billion in product losses occur each year. It's time for Fresh Defend Home to become extensively used. With these little storage containers that fit in practically every kitchen, food may be kept fresher for up to 5 times longer. Introducing the cutting-edge technology that will help you save money and prevent food waste by setting a new standard for the preservation of wine and vegetables. This clever countertop device eliminates oxygen, delaying the ripening process of fruits and vegetables and allowing your fresh products to last up to 5 times longer on the shelf. For you and your family, this translates to less waste, lower expenses, and easier access to wholesome fruits and veggies. Are you sick of putting away rotten produce? You won't have to worry about your produce going bad after a few days when you use this product. You can finally say hello to a healthier lifestyle. Your fruits and veggies will last up to 5 times longer. You can also keep fruits and veggies fresh on the fly using the system's snap-on connectors and portable containers for your children's school lunches, athletic events, or just because you just want to keep your vegetables in. And because of its adaptability, your product will always remain fresh wherever you go. We came onto the project when looking through the Red Dot Design Award archives. The company's developers were successful in drawing the attention of an international jury in this renowned competition. Their idea? Transforming individuals into moving advertisements. The design concept was created in 2005 with the goal of recognizing and honoring innovative design ideas and breakthroughs that serve as the prototypes for important goods of the future. It has developed into a reputable and professional forum throughout time, assessing and honoring design projects for their brilliance. These projects can be in different phases of development, from basic ideas to finished goods that are prepared for release. Companies, design studios, and experts in the industrial and service sectors are invited to submit their best design projects as part of the hunt for elite professional design concepts. A jury reviews these submissions in order for them to be acknowledged and displayed internationally. The most coveted award in this competition is the Red Dot Luminary, which is given to the year's outstanding design concept. Notable initiatives from Hyundai Motor Company, Lilium, Bionic M Inc., Yamaha Motor, and Google Inc. are among the previous winners. Receiving this award confirms the excellence of your work and gives you the courage to take the required chances to develop novel ideas and breakthroughs in design. This award uses an unbiased panel of experts to provide an unbiased assessment of novel ideas or innovations. It functions as an independent seal of approval for design quality and a success indicator. For more than 50 years, motocross and mountain bike enthusiasts have trusted O'Neill because of their creative accessories and high-quality protective gear. They have collaborated on a fantastic new helmet with quintessential design. The Quinn sensor, which this helmet has, uses a smartphone connection to identify and locate collisions. Together, both companies have developed a cutting-edge helmet for motocross and mountain biking that has the potential to save riders' lives. More gear than your usual vehicle is needed for racing through mud and gravel, navigating tight turns, and flying off slopes. This is especially true for helmets. The company has been a pioneer in creating protective gear and accessories with an emphasis on safety for more than 50 years. In order to improve rider safety, the company has worked with Quintessential Design. Quinn provides accurate location and collision tracking features. In contrast to conventional crash detectors, it can notify emergency personnel in the case of a serious collision, possibly saving the rider's life. Important life-saving capabilities offered by this system include an automatic crash detector and a manual SOS beacon.it sophisticated analytics provide a whole product experience, motivating customers to interact with the app in ways beyond simple setup and safety alerts. Ride statistics including speed, distance, elevation, sprints, hard braking, quick acceleration, heart rate range, and exertion are all included in the app. Next stop, the future, say the creators of Monocab OWL. In Germany, public transportation in remote rural areas faces challenges with few buses, trains, and passengers. Most people rely on private cars, leaving non-drivers with limited options. This inconvenience often forces people to move, affecting the local job market. In many rural areas, especially in Germany, the reliance on cars is nearly absolute. Public transport options are scarce and often unreliable, pushing residents to abandon other forms of transportation. This situation leads to underused railway lines and a declining population as people moves away in search of better connectivity. Projects like Monocab offer a glimmer of hope for the future of these rural regions. It is not merely a transportation project. It aims to enhance overall living conditions, ensuring equitable access to services, and achieving what is termed as mobility justice. Essentially, it's about developing an operating system for a democratic society. The approach of Monocab does not involve discarding existing infrastructure, but rather innovatively combining the old with the new. Following the principle of use what is there, Monocab integrates the current rail infrastructure and public transport with a new mobility option known as individual local passenger transport. These cabins can travel in both directions on a single track and pass each other seamlessly, similar to a continuously circulating paternoster. They can be ordered via an app, available 24/7, eliminating long waits associated with traditional rural bus services. This vivid orange container is a climate-controlled crate intended to maintain consistent temperatures while being transported, such as for museum displays. Its walls are constructed from layers of materials, such as wool fabric, isolon, and 10mm plywood. Because of its design, the box can adjust to changing conditions over a period of 10 to 14 hours, maintaining a constant temperature within. Take your artwork with you to the community. The UPS Store registered trademark, where the company provides cutting-edge packaging materials and boxes in every size to safeguard your items while they're in transit. For larger objects like sculptures, glass, canvases, ceramics, murals, and industrial art, can make specialized boxes and containers. Your work of art is protected by our pack and ship guarantee. The team of packing experts is skilled in safeguarding your belongings throughout transportation, guaranteeing their safe arrival. provide boxes, tape, bubble cushioning, envelopes, and packaging supplies if you need them. Since each of our stores is independently owned and run, costs for packing supplies and services may differ. For exact prices, get in touch with your neighborhood store. Although carrier supplies are not sold by the store, you can bring your things already packaged. The company's professionals will either pack them for you or verify that they are correctly packed. Large or unusually shaped objects, including furniture, can be shipped using specialist packaging techniques such shrink wrapping, palletizing, blanket wrap, bespoke cartons, and crating. To start the claim procedure, tell the merchant that shipped your items right away if your package arrives damaged, lost, or delayed. Issues must be reported by the sender to the store for review and possible approval of claims. In the event of late arrivals for shipments, the sender can be eligible for a guaranteed service refund. Currently in use by about 300 museums globally, WANGDA displays have EN 356P4A glass, which is resistant to vandalism. Like automotive windshields, this glass is installed to prohibit sharp objects from penetrating and includes a unique coating that prevents splintering. Additionally, the cabinets have locks that are difficult to pick and have keys that are safeguarded against unauthorized duplication. The contract to custom-build Musée Gauguin in French Polynesia with museum-grade showcases that are high-end, highly secure, and preserve artifacts has been formally given to WANGDA Showcases. This esteemed project highlights the business's prowess in building superior museum vitrines. The Paul Gauguin Museum is a Japanese-styled art museum devoted to the life and creations of him. It is situated in Tahiti, French Polynesia. The French Polynesian president owns the museum, which is now closed for restoration, despite its enormous cultural importance. Public access to its sibling museum in Hiva OA is still available. More than 350 pieces of art that portray the artist's life in Polynesia are on display at the Harrison Smith Botanical Gardens Museum, which opened on June 15, 1965. International painters including Kroc, Kijno, and Mordvinov have contributed to the collection, along with copies of his paintings. In the 1970s and 1980s, Gilles Arthur, who had been hired as the museum's director, founded the Friends of the Association and connected art sponsorship with cultural events. There are more reasons to visit Lake Chelan than just its size as the largest natural lake in Washington state. Slidewaters Water Park is located nearby and features a pool with the greatest artificial waves in the world, produced by the Citywave system. Surfers will love it, and everyone can stay safe in the pool thanks to its depth and foam padding. Being able to catch waves is just one aspect of surfing. The respite is accompanied with a full community and culture. Globe-class surf park technology and industry-leading waves are just the start. This is a surf shop and a part of Slidewaters, which is a family-friendly water park. Compared to Slidewaters, Lakeside Surf has a longer operating season and extends its summer hours. The largest stationary wave in the world can be found at Citywave USA and offers a distinctive surfing experience. Within the surfing sport, river surfing is a distinct discipline. Surfing comes in a variety of forms, much like swimming in the Olympics, where competitors can participate in numerous disciplines or specialize in certain strokes. Wake surfing, stationary surfing, river, and progressive surfing all provide unique sensations. It is a stationary deep water wave that can be surfed with full-size fins, typical shortboards, strong turns, and amazing aerials. There is no admission fee for those who want to eat, shop, or watch surfing at Lakeside Surf. First-time surfers are given priority for these restricted sessions, with spots available on a first-come, first-served basis. There may be a cap on how many complimentary sessions frequent Slidewaters guests can take advantage of each season. As the name implies, Zorb Europe specializes in offering exhilarating experiences, giant translucent balls that provide distinctive entertainment alternatives. Some of these also let you walk on water, so they're not simply for on-land entertainment. The business has become well-known and successful, planning zorbing experiences for well-known customers, including Goodyear, Coca-Cola, and BMW. Their product line offers something for everyone seeking an exciting and different pastime, as they cater to a wide spectrum of interests. Downhill rides, in which competitors slide down a slope inside a Zorb, is one of their most unique attractions. For those looking for something even more thrilling, the Downhill Master Hydro Zorb is a great option. Filling it takes 10 liters of water, which makes rolling downhill much more thrilling and difficult. The exhilaration of it, combined with the cool sensation of water, creates an incredible experience when one is inside a Zorb filled with water and tumbles and turns. The company also provides body Zorbs, which are ideal for soccer matches and other sports, in addition to downhill zorbing. The average diameter of these bodily Zorbs is 1.55 meters, which gives the insider the appearance of a gigantic mushroom. Body distinctive shape and size provide humor and good times to any occasion, whether it's a more formal competition or just a get-together.